How do you making a orange juice? At first, I have bought the fresh orange from the market and wash it. Then I peel the orange and remove the seeds and the orange pieces. I put it in the juicers and switch on the juicers. Then the liquid good juice are separated and poured it in the bottles. The sparrow is a very little bird and very intelligent and natural bird. It is often found in the shelters in the human home, and they have been making a nest in the human shelter. The butterflies are very intelligent insects and the natural insects. They have been a pretty wings and they lay out from the egg. The butterflies are flatter on the floor and they have been test their food by their feet. Conversations. Hi mom, how are you? I am very well. What are you doing? I have digging a hole. But why are you digging a hole? I have been planted a tree. What is the tree? It is the apple tree. How do it grow up? It grow up at first, at slowly. What is the doctor's intentions? The doctor's main intention should be to take carefully and pay attention and give the good medicines to their patients. And their main attentions should be to survive their patients. Hi Rekha, how are you? I am very sick. I understand to see you, so I suggest to you. You should be to visit a doctor and okay, I am thinking about it. Yes, you should be have an appointment and to see a good experienced doctors. Okay, thank you.